Moy, how did you find out about Seattle Tree Care?
And that apple is the first tree I've ever done. I came here, I couldn't work for 8 months waiting for my work permit. Call 911. We have a guy injured up in the tree. So this is a Japanese maple. And to make the pressure points a little bit bigger. When you're limb walking, the hard part is coming back, it's not going out. I think I did pretty good.
Yeah, I'd say so.
This is such a special job because 1936 boys of the boat, the boys that like beat Germany, those are my people, by the way. But they this is the boathouse that they prepared for, and this is where they raced out of, so really historic area.
A quiet morning just outside of Berlin, 1936. A team of American boys prepared to row the biggest race of their lives at the Olympic Games. Two remarkable teams share a common rhythm of precision and coordination. While vastly different, a crew, be it rower or arborists, have many parallels. Two groups seemingly worlds apart, yet deeply connected in their approach. Just as a rowing crew depends on perfect synchronization, arborists begin with meticulous planning and strategy, each member playing a crucial role, just like that of a rower in a boat. Communication and understanding being key. And in the end, both achieve their goals through unity, skill, and unwavering teamwork. Different paths, same philosophy. Teamwork is the root of success.
Those damn beavers, look at this, man.
I'm just impressed with how much foliage the tree still has.
Yeah, these are beavers, look at this. Look at these chips. Yeah, they essentially killed the tree. We're gonna take it out.
Stop it. Yes. Run the unit now. Back. Roll the stern to you. Put the fleet in the water. Put the fleet in the water.
What's that, cool or what? Just working in unison, that teamwork. So cool.
Out of my head, I was just like, let's just freaking drop it in the lake, and then bring it out. You know, like over, and it'd be too heavy. I mean, we can drop lead after lead and train them out. But I could, you know, those shell boats would just, like, if they hit a little branch. Oh man, they go so fast. By the time the branch is flying, they're gonna get right on there.
Hands like hooks, legs like a conveyor belt. Arms like ropes at the catch, legs like a conveyor belt.
Wake me up to another good morning, time to go. Got that smile upon my face, 'cause there's excitement in the chase, this I know. Yeah, I'm going for the ride, and by myself I am alive, and I soar. Still I run towards the wind and let the challenge draw me in, 'cause I want more. Oh, we are all looking for adventure. 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 Oh, wake up heart and wake up mind, and see the world is yours to find. And with every passing day there's more, calling you out to explore. Get up and go.
Yeah. I can go under that side and then come back around maybe and get the good position there. I'm just struggling to reach the wood, so. Alright, we're gonna put the chains here and probably cut at the very base.
I mean, would it just be easier to cut a foot higher?
It's alright. I'll cut whatever I can. Just sometimes you have to push it, I guess. It's definitely heavy on that side, but I think it's gonna do more like a twisting like the last one, rather than just going one way straight. Alright, second cut coming. I think it's pretty, yeah. Beautiful.
The University of Washington, always in the boat, were very representative of the Pacific Northwest, which was raw, newly shaped. The city of Seattle was only about 80 years old. These boys were the sons of loggers, sons of fishermen. They did odd jobs for $1 a day. They were grunts. This was the middle of the Depression, and these guys were having a hard time putting food on the table. The United States, represented by the University of Washington rowing crew, had a rough start. They were facing the wind with heavy chop. It looked like all was lost. The University of Washington crew was easily boats behind. Suddenly, the boat lurched forward. It looked like everyone was in sync, and by 200 meters, the race was getting close. With every powerful stroke, the United States team began to inch closer. Their synchronization and strength was evident as they closed the gap. And as the boats entered the final 100 meters, the race was neck to neck. The Americans had drawn level with the Germans, and the Italians were right there in the mix, making it a three-way battle for gold. The noise from the crowd was deafening, adding to the intense atmosphere. After hours of careful planning, execution, and rigorous training, The team made the final cut. Whether it's crossing the finish line or safely bringing down this towering tree, the essence of these moments lies in the preparation, teamwork, and final push to achieve success. Different arenas, sure, but the spirit of determination and excellence remains the same. And in the end, it's all about reaching the goal together.
Wow, that was just crazy how that tree was just leaning way over the water. You got to give it to those beavers, man, for trying. They got in there and they did what they could, but thankfully with opening day coming up, I think it's only 2 weekends away, this is just going to be packed with people, so we made it safer, and now they're just ready for opening day. Real tribute to boys in the boat. Look at that. Back in 1936, what they accomplished was truly incredible. So much respect for them, and we are so grateful to get to work on these historic properties like this all over Seattle. Really appreciate everyone for watching, and I hope you all have a great rest of the day.
I think it's gonna sink.